Today, I am going to show you a very short but incredibly effective strategy that yields results in just 2 minutes. Stick with me till the end to learn this amazing strategy. Today, we are using moving average and MACD indicators for this strategy. I know you may have tried these indicators before, but this is a totally different and much more effective strategy that brings an 80% to 90% win rate. So, first, search for the moving average indicator and click on it. Now, change the period to 3. Also change the color to blue and increase the thickness a little bit. Now click apply. Okay, let's add the moving average indicator again. Search again for the moving average, change the period to 6, change the color to yellow, and increase the thickness a little bit. Now, click apply. Now, we have to add the moving average once again. Search for it, click on it, and don't change the period this time. Just change the color to white and increase the thickness a little bit. Click apply. Okay, now let's add the MACD indicator. Search for it, click on it. Now, don't change settings here. Just go to the color and display. Increase the thickness of yellow and blue lines here. Click apply. Now, let me explain how the strategy works. First, look at the moving average. If the blue line crosses the yellow line and starts to go downside, it's a bearish signal from the moving average. But it's not enough to make a decision about the market direction. Secondly, look at the white moving average line. If the market candles are moving below the white moving average line, that's another bearish signal for us. Thirdly, look at the MACD indicator. If the MACD histogram creates red signs for the downside, and also the blue MACD line goes below the yellow MACD line, that's another bearish signal for us. So, in this position, the bearish signal is confirmed 3 times. So in these kinds of times, we can open a trade to the downside. And this is an example of a bullish moment that we can recognize from this strategy. I hope now you can understand how the strategy works. So now let's apply this strategy in my IQ option. But I am showing you this strategy on my demo account, and also I want you to practice this strategy in your demo account first. Okay, now let's open a trade in IQ option using this strategy. Here, look, I am opening a trade to the downside because the blue moving average line crossed the yellow moving average line and started to go below the yellow line. Also, the market is moving under the white moving average line, and also MACD is giving us a bearish signal. So, this is a very good time to open a trade to the downside. Also, remember when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend. Because the market is always fluctuating, it's important to follow the current trend. So, opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, open a trade with at least 3 or 4 minutes of expiration time. Wow, great. We won that trade. Let's try to open a trade for one last time today. Here, I am opening a trade to the downside again because, as you can clearly see, the blue moving average line crossed the yellow moving average line and started to go below the yellow line. And also, the market is moving under the white moving average line. Look at the MACD indicator. MACD is also giving us the same bearish signal. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, great, we won again. So, this is the strategy that I wanted to show you today. Practice this in your demo account first before you get into the real deal. Let me know how the strategy is working for you and subscribe if you want to learn more binary options strategies. I will see you in my next video. Peace.